Hey everyone, just wanted to make a quick video on how to deploy a Next.js app very easily with Bolt. So right here I created a brand new Bolt project by going to Bolt.new, and I'm going to select the Next.js starter blank app at the bottom here. This is going to very easily create us a Next.js app that's just ready to go. All it does is install the dependencies and then it starts the application within the browser. And now we can have a preview of our Next.js app right here, which is telling us to go ahead and start prompting. Now we can add whatever changes we want by entering them into the prompt right here, but I'm just going to go ahead and deploy this app just so we can get it live and ready to go. So what I'm going to do is go to the top right, click on where it says deploy. It's going to tell us that it's going to deploy this application. It's going to build the application and then it's going to deploy it to Netlify. We can see now that we have a live site URL, which we can go ahead and click on. It's going to take us to our Next.js project that we just built. We can also go ahead and claim this URL as well. So we can go ahead and add this Next.js project to our Netlify account by clicking on Add Projects to Netlify Dashboard. You are going to need a Netlify account in order to do this, so just go ahead and create one if you don't already have one. And now we can see that our project is listed right here. If we go ahead and click on it, we can see that now we can set up a custom domain as well as adjust the site configuration to our liking. But that is how you can very quickly set up a Next.js project and deploy it with Bolt.new. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. That's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.